So it's my turn to define my part, the chapter 3, which is methodology. The contents of the methodology is 3.1, subject of the study, 3.2, research design, 3.3, data gathering procedures, 3.3, instrument, 3.5, statistical tool used, and the last 3.6, data analysis. So let's start with 3.1, subject of the study. Subject are persons investigated in the study. The target respondent of the study are the people who lives in Purok 1, Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City, and we will be choosing randomly. The respondent will give in their answers from their questionnaires based on their views and experiences. Next is 3.2, research design. In this chapter, the method that will used by the researchers is the descriptive method. In the descriptive methodology is involved the explications, descriptive and analysis of data collected used by researchers to determine the use of solar water bulb. It is a type of research design that use explanations to interpret the data that will be needed in features. This form of study are commonly used to evaluate the features and benefits of a solar water bulb of a liter of light. Therefore, the researchers will use a survey. Questionnaires, the type of a methodology consists of close-ended questions. The respondent of this study will respond the questions by selecting the answer given in the survey questions. The respondent in this study is the respondent for Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City, Purok 1. The respondents are expected to determine the effectiveness of a solar water bulb a liter of light users. The second is 3.3, data gathering procedures. The data gathering procedures are to better understand the flow of a data gathering procedures are illustrating and presented below, which is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So the phase 1 is refashioning the solar water bulb and developing the solar system using DIY battle water bulb. So the phase 2, assessments of instrument in solar system DIY battle water bulb in terms of. And the 3 is finalizations for the DIY solar water bulb for implementations. So the next is 3.4, instruments. To get the appropriate data needed, the researchers conduct a survey, questionnaires which into the close-ended questions to know the effectiveness and benefits of a solar water bulb a liter of light users. To get the data from the residents of a Purok 1 Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City, the researchers surveyed to respondents through online because of this pandemic. For the main project of this study, which is the solar water bulb a light of light, the researchers used a bleach and filled into the bottles. To light the house, they put the bottles up on the roof to expand the light that came from the rays of the sun into the inside of the house. 3.5 Statistical tool use. In order to analyze and interpret the data obtained from the participant and evaluators, the researchers used the following statistical method, which is standard deviation. Standard deviation is a statistic that measures the amount of variations of dispersion in a set of values. The lower case Greek letter sigma for the population standard deviations, or the Latin letter S for the sample standard deviations, which is S, is the most widely used in mathematical text and questions indicate the standard deviations. Then the second that we use statistical tools is mean. The arithmetic mean is a central value of a finite set of a number, also known as average or arithmetic average. The sum of the values divided by the total number of values. In probability and statistics, the expected values is the measures of a value. For a probability distributions of a random variation that has been distributed with the help of this tool, the research known how to get the measures the center of a number data. In the last 3.6 data analysis. The intentions of this study is to assess the effectiveness of a solar water bulb, a liter of a light, based on making the product, and through testing, the researchers used the standard deviation and mean as a statistical tool to get the exact calculations and to seek through observation to determine the success of the product. This study will be done by giving questionnaires to the people in the specific area, which is the Purok 1, Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City. With the help of this analysis, the researchers can conclude that their DIY solar water bulb has its purpose, and it has a big help to those respondents in Barangay Purok 1, Barangay Tambakan, Iligan City. So that's all in chapter 3, the methodology. So I hope you have learned to my defense. Thank you.